So today, we're talking about the Motorola Edge 80 Pro videos that are popping up all over YouTube right now. And I just want to clear something up quickly. This phone is not real. It hasn't been announced by Motorola, and what you're seeing is basically a concept trailer made by tech channels. They look exciting, but the specs are completely speculative. Some of the videos are claiming things like a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, which doesn't exist. They're also throwing around numbers like 32 GB of RAM, a 400 MP camera, and an 8500 mAh battery. And honestly, in real-world smartphones today, those specs just aren't realistic or available in a commercial device. Right now, Motorola's actual lineup is focused on devices like the Edge 70 series, which are solid real-world flagships with balanced performance and pricing. So, is the Edge 80 Pro worth your money? Simple answer: you can't buy it, because it doesn't exist. If you're looking for a real upgrade, stick to officially released phones.